Hi children, good morning. How are you? Welcome back to our EVS online class. Children, what we studied in the last class? Did you remember that? Yes, we studied about mobile phone, email, fax, mass media and internet. What are they? Mobile phone, fax, email, mass media, internet, and laptop. First one, write the merits and demerits of mobile phone. What are the merits and demerits of mobile phone? First of all, I say merits of mobile phone. Mobile is a telephone on work. It supports many additional services such as SMS for text messaging, email, accessing internet and gaming. Second one, it supports accessories such as Bluetooth, camera with video recorder. Last point, mobile is also used for setting alarms. Then demerits of mobile phone. There are so many demerits of using mobile phones. Constant distraction, social disruption, never-ending workdays, ongoing expenses, cause of accidents, health problems, youth crimes, etc. are some of the major demerits of using mobile phones. Next one, which is the best means of mass communication? Give reasons. Which is the best means of mass communication? Give reasons. Answer is television can be termed the best means of mass communication on the following grounds. It is a very effective means of communication compared to all others. Second point, it is the medium for live watch of events. Last point, television has shrunk the distance of the world. Television has shrunk the distance of the world. We can watch what is happening several thousands miles away from us. The next one, what are the merits of using internet? What are the merits of using internet? Connectivity, communication and sharing, information, knowledge and learning, address, mapping and contact information, selling and making money, banking bills and shopping. Last one, write the differences between a desktop and laptop. Write the differences between a desktop and a laptop. Answer is laptop computers use less power than a desktop computer. Laptop is a personal computer that can be easily moved and used in a variety of locations. Most laptops are designed to have all of the functionality of desktop. Then textbook homework. Make a list of programs of any one day that you get on television and radio. Programs on radio, news, debates, film songs, drama, etc. Programs on TV, news, reality shows, cookery show, films, film songs, etc. Children, did you write and study this homework? Students, you must study these answers. Okay? All students stand up. Right hand, front, left hand, front, hands up, sit down. All students listen to me very carefully. Today we are going to discuss about new chapter. 17th chapter, Food for Health. What is the name of 17th chapter? Food for Health. What did you eat today? Children, what did you eat today? Which are the food items you like most? Which are the food items you like the most? Yes, please answer. Yes, you like most idli. Then you like most chapati. Yes, you like most biryani. Yes, very good. Children, you collect the menu for breakfast, lunch and dinner. Breakfast means morning food, lunch and dinner means evening food. Okay? Children, take your EVS textbook and page number 96. Complete this work. First point, main food items are cereals or grains. Then next point, cereals are seeds of the grass family. We use rice and wheat for our food. First of all, I say about cereals, the major source of food. Cereals are seeds of the grass family grown in fields. Cereals are seeds of the grass family grown in fields. Wheat, rice, maize, and millets are the major cereals that we use as food. Which are the major cereals we use as food? What are they? All students say loudly. Yes, wheat, rice, maize, and millets. Do you know Malayalam meaning wheat? Yes, Godamba. Rice means Adi. Maize means cholam, and millets means chama. In Kerala, we use rice and wheat for our food. In Kerala means our state, we use rice and wheat for our food. They are rich source of carbohydrates. They are rich source of carbohydrates. Carbohydrates give us energy to do work. Once again say, all students listen to me very carefully. Cereals are rich source of vitamins, minerals, carbohydrates, fats, oils and protein. Children, do you know which are the rich source of carbohydrates? Yes, rice, wheat, oats, cereals, sugar, pulses are the rich source of carbohydrates. Cereals, for example, wheat, rice, ragi, oats, arrowroot, tapioca, beetroot. Pulses means yes, pulses means beans, bengal gram, green gram, etc. They are the rich source of carbohydrates. Which are the rich source of carbohydrates? Or write down 4 sources of carbohydrates. Answer is cereals, oats, sugar, pulses. What are they? Cereals, oats, sugar and pulses. Cereals means wheat, rice, maize, etc. Oats, for example, tapioca, beetroot. Sugar, for example, white sugar and candy. Pulses, green gram, bengal gram, etc. Next, we discuss about pulses. What is the meaning of pulses? Yes, പയറുവർഗ്ഗങ്ങൾ. Cereals means ധാന്യങ്ങൾ. What do we eat along with dosha or puttu? What do we eat along with dosha or puttu? Along with dosha, we usually take the following: coconut chutney, chutney powder, sambar, onion chutney, etc. With puttu, the following items are usually taking: bengal gram or kadalakari, plantains, stew, etc. We use peas, beans or lentils. These are commonly known as pulses. What are commonly known as pulses? Peas, beans, or lentils. Pulses provides us with proteins. Pulses provide us with proteins. Proteins are essential for growth. Growth means വളർച്ച. Essential means അത്യാവശ്യം. Proteins are essential for growth. Means pulses are the type of leguminous crop that are harvested solely for the dry seed. Dried beans, lentils and peas are the most commonly known and consumed types of pulses. Pulses do not include crop which are harvested green, example green peas, green beans, etc. Next, we discuss about fruits and vegetables. Don't you like to eat fruits? Which fruits do you like most? Children, which fruits do you like most? List down the fruits that we use commonly. What are the fruits we use or we get commonly? Mango, jackfruit, plantain, papaya, watermelon, pineapple, pomegranate, custard apple, cashew, orange, grapes, apple, cherry, strawberry, plum, etc. Do you like papaya? Children, do you like papaya? Yes, papaya is a very nutritious fruit. Which is a very nutritious fruit? Yes, papaya is a very nutritious fruit. Children, you visit a fruit stall. Make a list of fruits you see there. You visit a fruit stall and make a list of fruits you see there. Fruits give us minerals and vitamins. Fruits give us minerals and vitamins. These are essential for keeping our body healthy. These are essential means necessary for keeping our body healthy. Fruits give us minerals and vitamins. These are essential for keeping our body healthy. Children, why should we eat fruits? What is the answer? All students say loudly. Why should we eat fruits? All students say. Fruits give us minerals and vitamins. Fruits give us minerals and vitamins. They are essential for keeping the body healthy. They are essential for keeping the body healthy. Children, do you like sambar and avial? These are considered essential for a sadhya or feast. Down the vegetables usually used for making sambar or avial. Which are the items or which vegetables used for making sambar? Do you know which are the items or which are the vegetables used for making sambar? List down the vegetables usually used for preparing sambar and avial. What vegetables are used for making sambar? Onion, lady's finger, drumstick, potato, tomato, carrot, brinjal, etc. Once again say onion, lady's finger, drumstick, potato, tomato, carrot, brinjal, etc. Which are the vegetables used for making avial? Drumstick, raw banana, bitter gourd, beans, bottled gourd, pumpkin, cucumber and yam. What are they? Drumstick, raw banana, bitter gourd, beans, bottled gourd, pumpkin, cucumber and yam. Children, collect details about the ingredients of sambar and avial by asking your mother. Vegetables are rich source of vitamins and minerals. Vegetables are rich sources of vitamins and minerals. We must eat all kinds of vegetables. We must eat all kinds of vegetables because vegetables are rich source of vitamins and minerals. How do vegetables help in keeping good health? Do you know how do vegetables help in keeping good health? Yes, vegetables are rich source of vitamins and minerals. What is the question? How do vegetables help in keeping good health? Answer is vegetables are rich source of vitamins and minerals. Children, now I give some homework for you. Write in your EVS notebook. First one, write down 4 sources of carbohydrates. Write down 4 sources of carbohydrates. Second one, why should we eat fruits? Why should we eat fruits? Third one, how do vegetables help in keeping good health? How do vegetables help in keeping good health? Children, now I wind up this class. I hope you can understand this class. If you have any doubt, you can ask through WhatsApp. Thank you.